Google AI Studio has been a quiet little underdog for the past year, but with the latest updates, Google has absolutely blown open this developer tool, turning it into an AI playground that anyone can use. The thing is, most people still don't know how to use it. So today, I'm going to show you what you can do with Google AI Studio, even if you're just starting out. Google AI Studio started as a developer tool, and with the new innovations announced at Google I/O, it's about to get even more competitive. But what they've kept secret is how you can use this flexible AI tool for your small business. With Google AI Studio, you can go a bit beyond the Gemini app and create within a customizable playground, where you can test all the Google's AI models in one single place. Now you just select the model you want to work with and start chatting to test it out. So if I click here for image generation, I'll see all of the available Nano Banana models that I can work with. There are so many features that can help customize your outputs, from compare mode to adjusting the thinking level. I think it's genuinely so underrated. But let's forget the feature list for a second and focus on what Google AI Studio can actually help you do on a daily basis to make your business more efficient. On the right-hand side of the playground, right below your chosen model, are the system instructions. If you open that, you'll notice that there's actually nothing there. And no, Google didn't forget some code. This area is open for you to add your own system instructions and customize the responses you get from Google AI. Now, AI app and website builders like Hosting or Horizons, for example, often generate placeholder copy that sounds pretty generic and doesn't reflect your brand voice, the unique twist that makes your business website sound like you. If you edit the system instructions with your custom brand voice, you won't have to re-explain who you are or what you do at the start of every conversation. Now, to do this, you're going to prompt Gemini to create your custom system instructions and make sure it covers 4 things. First, who you're talking to, the specific audience you're trying to reach, whether that's in your marketing materials or directly on your website. Second, how you sound. Describe the texture of your brand's voice. Are you warm and inviting, or do you want to sound more direct with a no filter, no nonsense tone? Third, what to avoid. List all the words and phrases that just don't fit your brand. And lastly, references. You've probably already written something that you like, so upload that as well, so Gemini can analyze it and use your own writing as an example. Once that is set up, you can ask for anything, from an email to a product description, and the output will sound more like you and less like a generic AI. Now, if you didn't catch that guide, don't worry, because I'll leave it all in the description box below. And well, while you're there, if you want more videos about how you can use AI tools to help your small business, make sure to hit subscribe to keep up with our channel. But did you know that you can actually share your screen with Google AI Studio? You can actually use this handy feature to help with competitor analysis. Bring up a competitor's website and hit share screen in Google AI Studio. Then start asking questions. Gemini can see what you're seeing and will respond with that context in mind. Take your time and scroll through the home page or the pricing page, ask what's working and what can be improved, and how you can take that into your own business. You'll get the kind of feedback that you generally pay hundreds of dollars to a marketing consultant to get, and in just 3 minutes. You can actually take your screenshot to the next level by using it to help prompt your next website. If you're using a no-code app builder like Hosting or Horizons to create your site, your end result is only as good as your prompting. Being as specific as you can really helps, but not all of us have the design vocabulary to describe what we need. Now, Google AI can act as your UX designer. Find a website that you love and take a couple of screenshots or screen recording. Drop that directly into Google AI Studio with a prompt like what you see on the screen right here. And what you get is a prompt with specifics, fonts, colors, page order. It's all there without you having to reprompt Horizons over and over until you get what you want. Now, when you paste that prompt into Horizons, the site you generate will be a lot closer to what you were imagining than anything you could have typed from scratch. With Gemini Flash, you can generate audio ads or voiceovers with text-to-speech. Write the script for an ad or social media post using your custom brand voice, and then play with the text-to-speech models to create audio voiceovers. To get you started, the AI Studio has a few voiceovers pre-generated for you, and you can actually customize just about anything in the voice, from pacing, attitude, even their accent.
Tired of running your AI agents locally and burning out your laptop? Take your workflows to the cloud. Deploy Hermes Agent on a hosting or VPS in just 1 click.
For anyone hoping to run ads on a podcast, this can help cut the need to pay for an audio editor or any expensive equipment. Now, using Nano Banana, you can actually create high-quality product photos for your online store. Either prompt those photos from scratch or take photos you already have and use AI to change up the background or the lighting. Now, I'll leave some prompting tips in the description box below, but I'd really recommend that you subscribe to this channel as we have other videos about design with AI like this one right here. Anyways, Nano Banana can be a game changer for any small business that doesn't have the budget to hire a professional photographer or rent a studio. Take photos on your phone, then use Nano Banana to enhance them and have professional quality shots for your website. The catch is, if you want to use the higher quality output of Nano Banana too, you will need to pay for it. But not as much as you may think. Unlike Claude or ChatGPT, these advanced features don't require a subscription. You can just pay per request. So if you just want to create 10 low-res images for social media, it will only cost you about 67 cents. Now, if you bump that up to high res, you're still looking at about $2 for your images. But if you're just a small business and you just need a few images to be created one time, it's a much more cost-effective solution than paying for a subscription that you'll barely use. For just about anything you need, Google AI Studio is free, but there are limits. And there's a big privacy trade-off that you should know about before adding any sensitive information. All of the Gemini models, the basic Nano Banana, and Gemini's text-to-speech are free, but come with some usage limits. To be honest, the usage limits are all pretty generous, and if you're a small business owner or just curious about what Google AI Studio can do, you more than likely won't reach those limits in a single session. That said, it's important to note that on the free tier, Google is allowed to use your prompts and outputs as training data for AI. So if that's a problem for you, you will want to look at the paid plans. So if you're looking for higher usage limits, that's any of the newer iterations of Nano Banana, Veo, or Lyric, or if you want to start building AI agents with Google AI Studio, you'll have to upgrade to a paid tier. Google AI subscription will run you about $26.99 per month, but like I said, you can pay per request and set up spending limits so you're not paying for a subscription that you won't use. Now, stick to the free tier if you're using AI Studio for personal projects, drafts, marketing content, or anything that isn't confidential. In these cases, the rate limits won't be noticeable and privacy is less of a consideration since you're not using real client data. Consider upgrading if you need consistent access to the high-tier AI models like Veo or Nano Banana 2. Start off by paying per request, see where that takes you. Most small businesses will spend anywhere between $5 and $30 per month if they're using it heavily, which is still cheaper than a lot of other AI subscriptions. And that means you're only paying for what you actually use. Now, Google AI Studio is just step 1. Step 2 is getting what you created onto your website. Use the images you generate in an online store with Hosting Your Horizons, or use Google AI Studio to help you plan out your next vibe-coded website. The tools are there to help you take your project to the next level. So, what are you going to be using it for? Let us know in the comments down below, and make sure to use code H810 for 10% off your next Horizons website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.